Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute 3x3 card using the online exclusive Marbled Elegance Specialty Designer Series paper. This paper is part of a suite that can be found online with some dies that are, I think, heart dies and a stamp set, and I think some the gold twisted thread is in this suite as well. But we're also going to be using the Sale-A-Bration freebie, Friendly Seagulls. When you place a qualifying order during Sale-A-Bration, you can choose free items out of our Sale-A-Bration brochure. This is one of them. We will also be using the My Small Business stamp set, along with the Spotlight on Nature dies. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. So first, we're going to have Daisy Daydream Paper Pumpkin Kit. It's going to make 9 cards, and Lost Lagoon is going to be the stamping spot, and it's going to include a free additional stamp set in this kit. Spring is in the Air add-on dies, $12. It coordinates with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits, okay? This is the host code for the month. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Speaking of freebies, we're back to Sale-A-Bration. During Sale-A-Bration, also when you order or you collect orders from your friends and put them all together, if it reaches $300, you're going to get an extra $30 in Stampin' Rewards. And then we have this lovely join offer. Normally, when you purchase the starter kit, it's $99 plus tax, and you get to choose $125 worth of product. During Sale-A-Bration, they're going to add some things to your kit. So you have 2 options to choose from. The first option includes an exclusive stamp set and 2 sets of Stampin' Right markers in the color family of your choice. If you don't want that option, which is a $91 value, you can choose option 2, which is to add $30 extra to your $125 worth of product that you're going to get to choose from, okay? And all of this is going to ship for free. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed with new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm just asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included in that price. However, during Sale-A-Bration, I am having a promotion. When you spend $100 in product and you use my current host code, I'm going to send you this box for free. Don't worry if your order is $150, don't use the host code because, like I said, you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, and I'll still send you your mystery box for free, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business of the day. So let's go ahead and get started on our cute little 3x3 here. So I have a card base of Very Vanilla. It is 6x3 scored in half at 3. Furnish that score line down with our bone folder. So that is that. And then we have some designer series paper here. This is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. Then I have a piece that is 5 1/8 by 3. And we're gonna go ahead and add these on. And I think I'm gonna do some quick with some Stampin' Seal. We're just gonna add this onto the front of our card base here. I am making these cards for a cruise, a Caribbean cruise that my husband and I are going on. Well, by the time this video comes out, we'll be back. I think I'm going to do it the day after we come back. That's when this video will go live. So, yeah, and I'm sure I had a good time. If I'm on a cruise ship, I'm always having a good time. So we're going to put this on the inside of our card right here, down at the bottom. So I make these little cards every time I go on a cruise to I always make them small, so because I give them to my room steward and the waiters at the wait staff in the dining room as a thank you. I just give them a little thank you note, and we put our little tips inside the envelope. So I'm making a few of these. So now we're going to do some stamping because we have everything set for this. So now we're going to, well, I can actually keep this right here. We're going to do some stamping, and we need to stamp our sentiment on the inside. And I'm going to be using Tuxedo Memento black ink for that. And for the inside, I'm going to stamp thank you. Just like this. And then in Pool Party, we're going to stamp some little fish. Yep. because it's a cruise. Actually, I'm going to leave that open because we're going to be using that in a minute. Okay, so that's all the stamping on the inside. So that is done. So then I have some scrap paper here. This is going to be to stamp a seagull. Where did I put our seagull? Right here. I'm going to ink that up in the Tuxedo Memento black ink. And I'm going to stamp that down. Have our seagull there. Okay, and I think that's all the stamping we're going to do right now. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up. Get my scrap paper here, and I have a piece of 3x3 basic white. And we're going to get a blending brush. And we're going to blend on some Pool Party at the top portion of our cardstock here. Well, the top or bottom, it's up to you. But this is going to be my top. And I want to get about halfway down. Okay, so that's all we need the Pool Party for. Then we're going to get some crumb cake. Is this crumb cake? Yes, crumb cake. And I have a small blending brush. No reason. It's just that this is the color. This is the blending brush that has the color on it already that I need. So we're going to start at the bottom on this one and work our way up. And we're not going to go all the way up to meet that blue, that Pool Party. Because I want to leave a little white space. Just a little. In the middle there. Okay, so we're done with that. Next, we're going to go ahead and bring back our seagull, and we're going to do some coloring. So I have pumpkin pie in my Stampin' Blends. I should have used my Stampin' Right markers because I'm not going to be blending. So the Stampin' Right markers are perfect for coloring when you don't want to blend. Because I'm just doing straight coloring. So I'm just going to do his bill or his beak and his feet. And I have Smoky Slate, light and dark. And we're going to do the light right here on this strip on his wing. Then we're going to dirty him up a little bit down here with the light. Then we're going to take the dark. We're going to color his rest of his wing. Just like this. Okay, and then let's do some cutting. So I'm gonna get my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. My baby boss is sick right now. So we're gonna take one of the circle dies from the Spotlight on Nature dies. Hopefully I'm still in frame, and we are going to die cut this circle. Run this through. Oh, I think I went too low. Okay, so now we have this die cut out. We're going to do some stamping. Where's my scrap paper? Let's bring that back in. Now we're going to do some stamping on this. So I'm going to get my crumb cake again. Where's my stamp? We're going to stamp some seashells down here all around. I was trying to turn it some, so I don't want them all to be going the same. Okay, that's that. Then we're going to do some black again. Going back to our black. And we're going to stamp some birds. Some seagulls off in the distance. Just like that. And then we're going to get the Hey Friend sentiment, and we're just going to stamp, ink up Hey. That's all we need is the hey. And we're going to put that right there, just like that. And I believe that is all of our stamping done. So now I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to fussy cut this out. Okay, so I have him all cut out now. So we can go ahead and get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on the back of this. And we're going to put a half a dimensional on his head. We can use the other half down here. We can get a whole one to put right there. And then we're going to place him on our scene that we just built up here. Let's see, get it straight. I'm going to sit him right there like that. Then we're going to get some liquid glue to put on the back of here. Pull our card base back in, and we're just going to sit this right in the middle. Ooh, make sure you're straight. Just like that. Now, the last thing we're going to do is add some bling. I have the Utterly Adorable, not Utterly Adorable, Riverside Irregular Pearls. That's part of the Utterly Adorable suite. These are online exclusives. And I'm going to be using the white. Where's my take your pick tool? I'm going to put 3 on here. I think I want to put a big one right there. Small one up here. What? Yeah. I want to do 2 small ones. Do I want a small one over here? I think it'll be good right there, just like that. That is our card done. What do you think? Cute, right? Hey, thank you. Because they work so hard on the cruise ships. But here's some more that I made. I think I need to make about 5 more. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.